Children, just now in the previous video there was an explanation on the poem which we did today was The Pilgrim, right children? Now let's start with the workshop. Now this workshop is on your textbook page number 14. It's mentioned here. This is a web which you have to fill. ट्रैवल के साथ कौन से ट्रैवल अगर है तो what is to be add? Pilgrim is going all alone. His journey begins. Then it is cold and grey and he is walking on the highway. Similarly, how is the time around sunset, twilight? It is evening time. And if you can zoom it and say it is a close of the day and eventide. Yes, children? So I'm going to post it, don't worry. Again, the next is match the columns. The answers are given over here in red on page textbook. Now this is again three qualities of each person. Old pilgrim is kind, helpful and intelligent. Fellow pilgrim is selfish, foolish, worse and lazy. And young pilgrim is good, loving and friendly. This is on page number 15. Now there are questions on page number 15 to A, B and C. The first question is, why the old man had no need to build? The old man, that is old pilgrim, had already crossed the chasm and would never pass that way. Hence the old man had no need to build a bridge across the chasm. Yes, children? Next, what explanation did the old man give to the fellow pilgrim? The old man said that though he had already crossed the chasm, there was a fair-haired youth who was about to pass that way. The old man was experienced and was not afraid of the chasm. The young man was inexperienced and the chasm could prove to be a pitfall for him. That means old man ने chasm क्रॉस कर लिया था. उसके पीछे कौन आ रहा था? यंग मैन, मीन्स उसके बच्चों और उसके फ्यूचर की नस्ल. सो द ओल्ड मैन वॉज एक्सपीरियंस एंड ही वॉज नॉट अफ्रेड. बट जो यंग मैन आएगा उसकी भी ज़िंदगी की शाम हो जाएंगी और हो सकता है कि उसके लिए वो डिफ़िकल्ट लगे, उसके रास्ते में बहुत सारे डिफ़िकल्ट, तो उसको तकलीफ़ ना हो इसके लिए ओल्ड मैन वॉज डूइंग. दैट मीन्स ही वॉज बिल्डिंग अ फ्यूचर फॉर द यंग जनरेशन. What is the message in the poem? The message that the poem conveys is, we must be generous, unselfish and think of others. We must try to help others who are not experienced as we are. Now children, there is a rhyming scheme of the first stanza, 4th B, A, B, C, C, D. I hope you all know, you have done this in 7th standard. So I don't need to tell you. These are the rhyming schemes. Now, two lines that contain inversion. Now, this is again children a figure of speech inversion in which the words are wrongly placed. मतलब grammatically wrong है, लेकिन to give a poetic and musical effect, these words are placed. But उसका meaning सही निकलता है. You have never again will pass this way. You have never again will pass. That means इसका right सेंटेंस क्या होगा? यू विल नेवर अगेन पास दिस वे. सो थोड़ा ट्विस्ट करके दिया है. दे फॉलो आफ्टर मी टुडे मीन्स हु विल फॉलो? दे विल फॉलो मी टुडे, राइट? आफ्टर मी टुडे. सो अगेन इट इज अ रॉन्गली प्लेस्ड. सो दैट इज एन इन्वर्जन. आपको सही सेंटेंस खाली आपको पिकअप करके लिखना है. Now, tautology I told you, जिसका मीनिंग सेम है और the to chasm deep. Deep is also गहराई, vast and wide. Same meaning. Vast is बड़ा, wide is also बड़ा. So tautology means the words which have same meaning. Interrogation which has a question mark. And a personification came at evening, cold and grey. Right? That means who is cold and evening is actually the pilgrim is old and grey. but we are telling evening is cold and grey. So it's given a quality of human being. Now we are going to do margin questions. We are again going back to your page number 13 and 14. The margin means the one with a, which is the questions written in the blue margin, blue colored. What did a pilgrim do although he had already crossed the chasm? He built a bridge to spend the tides, although he had crossed the bridge. What puzzled fellow pilgrim? The fellow pilgrim was surprised and puzzled at the pilgrim's action. His journey would soon come to an. वो puzzle था कि उसकी तो journey life की खत्म हो गई है. He would never pass that way again. He had already crossed the deep wide chasm. So pilgrim wondered why he was building a bridge for at so late evening. Late evening मतलब शाम के वक्त नहीं, जब वो बहुत बूढ़ा हो गया है तब. And which would be of no use. Who could be the third pilgrim? Young inexperienced youth मतलब young लड़का, new generation. ठीक है children? Now this question answers also you are going to write in your notebooks. Okay, have a nice day. So that means you have to do the warming up exercise also in your notebook and this workshop also in the notebook. I'm going to post again separate pages for that. Thank you children for being with me.